Okay, hello everyone. Here from Group 7, we will talk about pest control on sugarcane and tobacco plant. So next. So our team is first Rizkia Huba with student number 134, 190, 139. And then we have Rizal Zaka with the student number 134, 190, 143. And then we have Ardenovian 134, 139, and 143. So at this space, we will talk about sugarcane. Talking about sugarcane, sugarcane plant are classified as sap with Latin name Saccharum officinarum. Sugarcane grow in the subtropic and tropic areas. Good soil condition for sugarcane plants are which is neither too dry nor too wet. Other than that, sugarcane growth is very sensitive to deficiency air in the soil, so that irrigation and drainage must be very noticed. So the classification for sugarcane, we have a division from Spermatophyta, subdivision Angiosperm, and the class Monocotyledon, and then order Graminealis, family Graminae, genus Saccharum, species Saccharum officinarum. So we have pest and disease control in sugarcane. So at the first one, we have Triporiza vinella F. Sudbur attack sugarcane plant against 2 weeks until harvesting age. Symptoms of this attack include transverse fall of on the leaf blades that have expanded, where attacks shot on under undeveloped plants rib can cause death, while the attack on branch palm will cause the growth of civilian, so that the yield decrease. So how about the control? So the control, we can using carbofuran on or petrofor insecticide, and then the insecticide absorbed by plant tissue sugarcane and is systemic with a dosage of 20 kilogram per hectare and spread on the ground. So next, Lepidiota stigma F, Oretta pest, in the form of beta larva, especially from family Melolotidae and Protelidae, was pretty safe, being like the Peter letter U. Rat attack rotting by eating the root, so that the sugar can showing the sign of dryness. The type of urat attack sugarcane in Indonesia, including Leucopi florida, Silopis sp, and Plasnesa nicobarina. Under the control, we can use carry on mechanically or chemically by capturing better in the afternoon or night with like trap, usually done in October and December. Besides that, also be done by processing soil to kill Ureta larva or use carbofuran insecticide.
And this is mosaic disease caused by a virus with symptom of attack on leaves, have green spots or shape like green, dark green, yellow, or chlorosis parallel to wooden vascular bundle. These symptoms are clearly visible in young leaf. Spread of disease is associated by vector insect, namely cornplant aphid. Rhopalosipun maedis. Control done by planting resistant sugarcane, avoid infection by using healthy seeds, and cleaning the sugarcane plantation environment. Next is root rot disease. Caused by the fungus Pythium sp, this disease mostly occurs on land with poor drainage perfect. As a result of the attack, the roots of the sugarcane become rotten, so then the plant becomes dead and looks wild. Control carried out by planting varieties resistance and by improving soil drainage. The next is leaf scald disease, caused by the bacterium Xanthomonas habilineans, with symptom of attack of chlorosis on the leaf follow the veins. This chlorosis pathway takes a long time to dry. This disease looks about 6 weeks up to 2 months after planting. If the leaves are heavily affected, all leaves are streaked with green and white. Transmission of the disease occurs through seeds that are diseased with blend or through a cutting knife. Control planting disease-resistant varieties, use of healthy seeds, and prevent transmission by using 15% diesel solution disinfectant for seed cutting blades. The next is tobacco. Introduction. Tobacco is a seasonal plant that belongs to the plantation. The tobacco plant is a tropical plant native to America, which the native use it in traditional ceremonies and for medicine. Tobacco was first used in North America. Tobacco entered Europe through Spain. Tobacco is a seasonal crop that belongs to plantation crop. Classification. Family Solanaceae, subfamily Nicotiaceae, genus Nicotiaceae, species Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. Pest and disease control on tobacco. The first is thrips. Thrips attack the leaf from below going up by scratching and suck the leaf juice. Symptom of attack marked by the underside of the leaves stricken with silvery color. Next, turn brown. Leaves look cooked ahead of time, sometimes curl and curve upwards. Adult thrips are brown and black. The way of the side will be developed quickly if the circumstance hot and slightly humid. To control thrips, thrips control on plant carried out with integrated pest control system, such as insecticide spraying. Spraying insecticide to control thrips on plant is a less result. The recommended insecticide is selective insecticide, namely active ingredient spinosad.
The next pest on tobacco is army caterpillar. Young caterpillars eat leaves with leaving the epidermis so the leaves be transparent. The old caterpillar eats all parts of the leaf and what is left only the leaves. Caterpillar have a variety of colors, but there is a main characteristic, namely the existence of a line resembling a black necklace circle on the third segment. And the way to control it, collect groups of eggs and larvae of Aslitura, which found in plants then destroyed, and then use of insecticides. If attack the armyworm has reached the threshold control, there is 5% leaf damage insecticides can only be used. The recommended insecticide is selective insecticide such as spinosad or Tracer 120 EC. Installation of sex pheromonoid or light trap to suppress population. Helicoverpa armigera. Helicoverpa armigera, known as the extinct caterpillar, damage the leaf shoots and shoots tobacco even on caterpillar fruit capsules also want to eat it. And then the way to control, the first is physically with garden sanitation, cleaning weeds around tobacco plants. This pest is polyphagus, so that possible weeds around the plant tobacco can also be used for breed. And then the second is mechanically, which is picking up caterpillar in a less dense population, then destroy it. And then the third is biologically, using biological agent of the fungus Beauveria bassiana, Metarhizium, Trichogramma, parasit-parasitoid, entomopathogenic nematodes, Seyternema sp, and the HNPV virus. And then for the disease of tobacco, the first is scorched trunk or damping off. This disease caused by the fungus Rhizoctonia solani. Symptoms that arise, the stem of infected plants will dry out and brown to black like burning. The way to control is remove the affected plants and burn and early prevention with natural glue. And then the second disease is lanas caused by Phytophthora parasitica nicotinae. Symptoms that arise is the appearance of spots on gray leaves that will expand on the stems. The attack will limp and hang and then wither and eventually die. And then the way to control is pull out the affected plants and burn, spray natural glue. The third disease is leaves or patik daun. It's caused by the fungus Cercospora nicotinae. Symptoms on the leaves, there are white to brown round spots. The affected leaves become brittle and easily torn. The way to control is using seed disinfection, widen the spacing, intensive tillage, use clean water, dismantle and burn infected plants, and spray natural glue. Thank you. We are think it's enough. If any question, please ask in Zoom. Thank you.